What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to get payout from FTMO. So today's tutorial is really simple, but I want you to keep up till the end to not miss out on anything. So what you will do is log in into your FTMO account, and then in the left tab, you will scroll down until you see FTMO traders. So I want you to click on it, and then you'll see a start processing button in the middle of the screen. So click on it. So you're gonna precise the amount of money you want to withdraw and then choose where you want to deposit it. You can deposit it in your bank or your Wise account. So after you choose the place you want to deposit it in, you just have to fill in your credentials and the money will be sent in about 24 hours. And that's it guys. Ultimately, your choice should align with your trading style and goals. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.